Thank you for tuning in for this thrilling recap of Power Slap 9, right here with your host, Lord Reginald Thistlewick IV. Today we're breaking down the Clash of Giants. Reigning champ John Thunderpalm Davis, whose slap could floor a horse, versus challenger Isaiah Iron Chin Kinones, ready to take blows like a brick wall. And here's the kicker. Leave the funniest comment and we just might arrange a meet-up for a real-life slap-off. Cheers, mates. Let's dive in.
2.
Solid slap, clean as a whistle. But let's be real, folks, we've seen Grandma's backhand pack more heat. Foul ball for flinching, free smacking coming up. Clean slap, sure, but let's be honest, that hit had all the power of a polite little tap from Aunt Mildred. He got him wobbly, legs like jelly.
Oh, that was juicy.
That's a good shot.
Nothing better than a slow-mo slap. It's like watching a slow-motion train wreck in action. Those faces ripple like a busted can of biscuits. You can't help but laugh at the sheer absurdity of it all. It's pure art.
1 point, Fletcher.
Well, that's 2 free smacks he's racked up now. At this rate, he'll be handing out more slaps than a nightclub bouncer on a Saturday night.
Lynching.
It's all right, give him another freebie. He needs it.
That slap was cleaner than my nan's kitchen, but honestly, nothing to write home about. The judges have it 19-18 in favor of Davis. Thanks for tuning in for this incredible recap, folks. It's been a wild ride watching this poor bloke get smacked so hard, I half expected him to start reciting Shakespeare. Seriously, that slap could rattle the brain of a cage fighter. Here's hoping he's not seeing stars after that one, unless they're the ones from the new Australian series, Slapping with the Stars. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more slaptastic moments. Until next time, stay safe and slap happy.